Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you are subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for being subscribed. I already did hit 400 subscribers and I'm super grateful for that. You guys have no idea how grateful I am. Anyways, so what can I say, you guys? It's already November 1st and time is going by so quick. This year just went by so freaking quick, and it's already that time of the year, that Thanksgiving feel, that freaking Black Friday and December, Christmas. Everybody's about to go crazy Christmas shopping, and here I am doing YouTube videos. Anyways, you guys, I kind of just wanted to do something different today, starting off the month. I wanted to do like a Thanksgiving look for you guys. So this is what I came up with. I really wanted like that bold lip and those shimmer lid. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this eye look, and I actually did film some of my complexion as well. So yeah, if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, just please keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so I'm starting off with a clean face, of course, and now I'm gonna go in with my Glow Recipe Plump hyaluronic serum. And I really like the serum, you guys, because it does penetrate into the skin and it just makes it very hydrating. So I did put some of this Ole 100% banana bread eye cream, you guys. I really love this eye cream. It really does help with my under eye circles, and I can tell right away when I run out and I don't have any for like a week and I stop putting some. I could right away tell my under eye circles coming back, and this just helps me maintain them. So now I'm gonna moisturize, and I'm using my Selfless by Hyram moisturizer. Just because it's fall, you guys, and it's a little cloudy outside doesn't mean that you need to stop wearing your SPF. So what I like to use is Farmacy Green Defense Daily Mineral Sunscreen. And I love this SPF, you guys, because it just kind of helps hydrate my skin as well. Like, it's in the thicker side of, and not like other SPFs that feel like really greasy on the face. So meanwhile I do the rest of my face, you guys, I'm obviously going to apply some moisturizer as well. But I'm going to be using this sleeping mask from Laneige. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. And I like to just apply some meanwhile I do the rest of my makeup, because it just keeps my lips really moisturized. Okay, you guys, so for eyeshadow primer, I'm going to be using this Anastasia eye primer. And I've been hooked on this primer for a minute now. I usually, I would use my P. Louis primer, but I don't know why I noticed that it started creasing on me a lot. It started creasing my shadow a lot. I don't know why. I don't know if maybe my lids are less, more dry, and maybe that's what's making it patchy, but nobody has time for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use whatever has been working out for me. So I'm gonna apply some onto, I did apply some onto my hand, and I'm gonna apply some onto my lid. Okay, you guys, so for the eyeshadow palette that I'm gonna be using today, it's gonna be the Natasha Denona Love palette. Once again, I really want to use this palette again. I need to get the best out of this palette, and nothing better than for Thanksgiving creating a look. So I'm gonna start off with So, this one right here, and I'm gonna use a Morphe and Ariel blending brush, and I'm just gonna apply that all over the crease as my transition color. So I'm just gonna apply some here. For my second shade, you guys, which is gonna be my outer corner color, I'm gonna go in with Heartbeat, which is like this burgundy right here, and I'm gonna use a Morphe M506 brush, And I'm just gonna apply that onto the outer corner and work my way up to the crease. Okay, you guys, so once I have that outer shade there, I'm gonna go ahead and blend again using that first brush. And I'm just gonna blend everything out. It looks so pretty, you guys, in person. Looks really bomb. I love this freaking second shade. It's so nice. So I'm just gonna blend this out more and just make sure it's like well blended nicely. Pretty satisfied with that outer shade. Now for my shimmer shade. I don't know what to use. It's always this part where I get confused. Shade, I'm gonna go ahead and use transparent, which is this one right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some with my ring finger. Such a beautiful shimmery ivory color. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them like this. Oh my god, such a pretty shade. Just be very careful that I don't get it all over. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M124 brush and I'm gonna go ahead and put some onto the lid just like that. Okay, you guys, so the lashes are on. Now I'm gonna move on to my face and I'm gonna start off with the One Size Secure the Blur Primer. Okay, you guys, so for foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Nars Self Matte and ARUBA. And I love this foundation, you guys. It just makes my face look so smooth. Now that I have it all over my face, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and spread it out with my UV. I think this is a UV blender, UV sponge. And I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. Oh, I got some on my brow. Concealer, you guys, I'm gonna be using the One Size Turn Up the Base. And I'm gonna be using in the shade medium 3G, and I'm just gonna put some here and here. And then with the foundation left in the back, I just like to blend it out. Okay, you guys, so now for my contour, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Toffee. So with my ring finger, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just apply some where I want it, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some here like that, and right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out right away. I use this Morphe E63 brush, and I'm just gonna gently tap the brush, and then with the remaining of the foundation, you guys, I'm just gonna go over it like this. I'm gonna use the monitor to blend it out. Okay, you guys, so it obviously made a big difference. I love to contour my face to give it a little definition. Even if I don't use any bronzer after or anything, it feels really good to just have this underneath. I don't need to do anything else. That's pretty much it, and the blush. But I am gonna set my concealer. I'm gonna make sure there's no creases. Lately, what I've been doing, you guys, is I've been setting with a brush, and I love the outcome. I've been using my One Size translucent powder and a brush. I usually like to set with my sponge, but I've been setting with my brush lately, and I love how it looks, just because it looks a little more natural. I mean, I love the sponge, don't get me wrong, to set, but I just feel like setting with the brush just, it makes it look more like skin. Okay, you guys, so I had to come back and finish off the eyes, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this Makeup Forever Artist Pencil, and this is in the shade Whatever Black, and I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my sponge. Where are you, sponge? Okay, I'm gonna grab my sponge, you guys, and I'm just gonna like gently press it down and apply some. So, and I'm just gonna apply some underneath the lid. And if you hear my stomach, my bad, I'm hungry already. I ate, but if you know, you know that when you're doing your makeup, it takes a while. Okay, now you guys, I'm gonna go in with Heartbeat, and I'm just gonna apply some first, and then I'm just gonna blend it out. Okay, you guys, so this is a final look. I absolutely loved the outcome. I am gonna go ahead and write down below every product that I did use. I know I did some of my makeup off camera, but that's just because I need that concentration. But other than that, you guys, thank you so much if you did watch my video to the end. I appreciate it so much. I went ahead and I threw on this top, you guys, to kind of give it that Thanksgiving feel. But other than that, you guys, like I said, thank you so much. And don't forget to please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Help me, help you, help each other. I don't know. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, comment down something sweet if you feel like it. And yeah, subscribe to my channel. Once again, tell your friend, tell your mom, tell your sister, tell your dad, tell your brother, tell your cousin. Go tell your whole family. Go tell your friends. I already said that. But other than that, you guys, it's freaking 8:10 a.m. and I've been up since what, 4? Because I don't know, I need my time to do my makeup and show you guys how I do it. So it does take me a while. So why am I saying so much? Oh my god, I need to go back to bed. Anyways, yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.